In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the Google Workspace admin console. This process is crucial for managing your organization's Google services effectively, whether you're adding users, configuring security settings, or simply organizing your Google Workspace environment. You'll find it all here. Let's go through this step-by-step guide to ensure you can smoothly access your admin console within just a few minutes. First, let's start by navigating to Google Workspace. Open your preferred internet browser and type in the URL for Google Workspace. You'll want to go to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, ensure you're accessing the correct site, as it will serve as our entry point to all things Google services. Now the next step is to find the admin console. Look around the interface, and if you're already a part of Google Workspace, you should see an option labeled Admin Console. It should be displayed prominently, as this is the central hub for managing user accounts and settings for your organization. The next thing you'll need to do is log in using your business email address. This is very important because the admin privileges are usually tied to a specific business account. If you try to log in with a personal email, you won't have access to the necessary admin settings. Enter your business email address and password to log in. If you haven't set this up previously, you might need to contact your IT department or whoever manages your Google Workspace to grant you access. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to a page with various Google Apps tools. To access the admin console from here, move your cursor to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a grid icon that represents the Google Apps menu. This menu is your gateway to various Google applications tied to your Workspace account. Click on the Google Apps menu and a drop-down list will appear. Here you'll find various icons representing different Google services. Look for the icon labeled Admin. It's usually highlighted with a symbol of a cog or gear depicting settings and management capabilities. Click on the admin icon and it will take you directly into the admin console interface. Congratulations, you should now have access to the Google Workspace admin console where you can manage your organization's digital environment efficiently. A quick reminder to always log out of your admin session when done, especially if you're on a shared device, to maintain the security of your organization's data. And there you have it, a straightforward path to the Google Workspace admin console. Whenever you need to access it, just follow these simple steps and you'll be ready to manage your organization's Google services effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful to you. If you have any questions or require further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below.